Hello, my name is Jonathan Hibbard. I'm the Technical Director of Chemical Intelligence. Our company has, over the last 4 years, developed a unique antibacterial print coating system. The unique coating system ensures that any paper-based product coated with BioSeal will have antibacterial protection for the lifetime of the product. One of the ways we can demonstrate this is with the 3M Clean Trace. All organisms leave behind tiny fragments of waste material. One of these tiny fragments is an enzyme called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Microbiologists have identified that there is a direct link between levels of ATP present on the surface and the levels of bacteria contaminating that surface. To simplify this, high ATP counts usually mean high colony counts. Using a swab and a special broth here in the swab tube and some ultraviolet light, the 3M Clean Trace converts the levels of ATP collected by swabbing present on the surface into units of measurement expressed as refractive light units, or RLUs. The higher the RLU count, the higher the ATP present. And as we've previously explained, high ATP levels is directly linked to the levels of contamination. The 3M Clean Trace has been adopted by all areas of hygiene management, including infection control in clinical environments. So it is a system we can trust. Clinical environments recommend that any reading above 1,000 RLUs is classified as being unsafe and likely to contribute to the spread of infections. We have 2 items here today we believe will help demonstrate how contamination can occur from simple items of everyday print. One being the BioSeal brochure, which we have printed and then coated with BioSeal and a standard coating. The other is a common magazine available from most newsstands and printed with a standard magazine coating. Over the previous 72 hours, we have subjected both printed products to the same contamination from a number of potential and likely sources. As you can now observe, we take the swab from the swab tube and pass it over the printed surface. Adopting a block formation maximizes the potential pickup that we can achieve. We snap it through the barrier, which allows it to enter the broth at the bottom of the tube. We'll carry out the same exercise for the BioSeal brochure. This does take a few moments to incubate. First, the BioSeal brochure. As you can see, the result is (40 RLUs). This actually represents a very low level of activity and suggests, as our previous findings, that despite our attempts to colonize the surface, the BioSeal antibacterial coating system has retarded any bacterial growth, leaving the surface free from pathogens. If we carry out the same exercise on the magazine, the results are slightly more concerning. We have in excess of 44,000 RLUs. The surface is saturated with ATP and therefore producing an RLU count in the thousands. In a clinical environment, this will be classified as unsafe and potentially harmful. We've carried out a significant number of additional laboratory tests to validate our findings. And we can categorically state using BioSeal antibacterial coating will significantly reduce bacterial contamination from the surface of printed items. For more information on BioSeal technology, please visit our website bioseal.co.uk, and let's ensure we make paper safe to touch.